Jingle all the way to fabulously festive DIY decor with the new Holiday Perks Pack from Chalk Couture. And whether you're into classical seasonal stylings or if you love branching out with a non-traditional palette, this pack is perfect. You can make a statement with the two classic surfaces in this pack, our hoop wreath that includes two separate sections that you can customize, and our modern decor staple, the reusable London frame. Now you'll keep things festive when you try the Merry and Bright Christmas transfer, and also elegant and evergreen with the Hello Goodbye transfer included, and with those coordinating chalkable shapes. Now this pack will have you singing, "Oh, what fun it is to make a Chalk Couture display." And speaking of display, you can create a unique look for a timeless classic with our brand new Nutcracker chalkable shapes and coordinating base. Using the holiday and everyday home palette packs included in the mix, you can mix, match, and customize hues that work for you. Best of all, your purchase of this Perks Pack also unlocks access to designer perks like 40% off pricing, membership in our amazing community of creators, and the opportunity to share and to sell Chalk Couture products online, at events, and workshops, and so much more. Now this gift of goodness retails for over $250 US, $350 Canadian, but you can bring it ho home for just $99 US or $129 Canadian when you become a Chalk Couture designer. For more information, reach out to your independent designer or visit chalkcouture.com for details.